Hey there everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. Today we are going to tackle a common issues that many Android users face. The dreaded your device isn't compatible with this version error in Google Play Store, or in my case you can see it is saying this item isn't available in your country. So I will show you that how you can solve both of this problem. So in this video we will walk you through several solutions to get your apps up and running again. So let's dive right in. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your device is actually compatible with the app you are trying to download. So for that, head over to your Google Play Store and search for the app and check the app's compatibility requirement listed on its page. So just tap on here on about this app and then scroll down all the way, and here you can see app info. So here you can see current version, updated date, and here you can see required OS. So to run this particular app, the required OS is Android 7 and up. So here just ensure that your device meets the necessary specification, and if your device is compatible, the next step is to ensure that your Google Play services are up to date. Outdated services can sometimes lead to the compatibility issues. Let's walk through how to update them. So just open the settings of your device, and after opening the settings of your device, then here you should go to apps section of your device. So just tap on apps, and here just tap on search icon here and search for Google Play services and open your Google Play services here, and then here just scroll down all the way, and here you can see app details in store. So just tap on here, and if you have Google Play services update available, then just tap on update icon here and make sure that your Google Play services is up to date. All right, also sometimes cache data and outdated information can cause conflicts. Clearing the cache and data for the Google Play Store might just do the trick. So to do that, just open your settings app again and then scroll down a bit and just tap on apps here, and then here just tap on the search icon and search for Google Play Store, and then here just tap on Google Play Store here, and then here just scroll down a bit, and here you can see storage. So you can find other options like storage or cache or clear data. So just tap on here, and here you can see two options, clear cache and clear data. So first just tap on clear cache and then just tap on clear data, and then here you should tap on delete. All right, after doing these steps, if the problem still persists, then the problem might be that the app has recently been updated, so there might be compatibility issues with your device. So try downloading an older version of the app to see if that solved your problem. So to download an older version of any Android app, just open any browser. So let's say we are opening our browser, and then just go to your Google, and here type the app name that you want to download. For example, we want to download the Google Wallet, so just type the app name you want to download and then just type apk at the end, and then just tap on enter. Here you can see the links to download the apk. So some of the trusted websites are like apk pure or like apk mirror. I will put some trusted source link in the description, so just tap on any of them. So just tap on here. So here you can see this is the Google Wallet. So this is the current version, and here if you just scroll down a bit, here you can see download apk. So just scroll a bit further, and here you can see old version of Google Wallet. So just tap on all versions here. So here you can see all the older versions of this particular app. So here you can see this version was from March 22, this version was from March 4, or like here you can see this version was from like January 30. So here just download any of them. So like if you remember that your app was running like 15 days earlier, then download the version of that particular date. All right, so let's say we want to download the version of January 30. So just tap on download here. Let's close this ad here. So just tap on close. Let's scroll down a bit, and here you can see the option download apk. So just tap on here, and here you can see it is saying downloading file. So let's just tap on this apk that we have just downloaded. So here you can see, do you want to install this app? Just tap on install, and then the app should be installed. And if you are like downloading and installing an apk, third party apk for the first time, then it might say that this app might be harmful. Don't worry, if you are downloading an popular app and also from a trusted source, then there should be nothing to worry about. All right, so here you can see the app is installed. Also another thing to note is make sure that your device's operating system is up to date. System updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve compatibility issues. So for that, you need to just open the settings of your device again, Let's scroll down a bit here, and here you can see software update. So just tap on your software update. So here you can see the option download and install. So let's just tap on here. So here it is saying checking for update. So just be patient, and here it is saying your software is up to date. So the interface might be different depending on whatever Android UI you are using, but the process is same. All right, make sure that your Android device is up to date. And if all else fails, consider using alternative app store like Amazon App Store or Aptoid. Sometimes apps are available on this platform even if they aren't on Google Play Store. And if you are wondering how you can install those particular app store, then follow the video in the I button. And there you have it, several solutions to fix your device isn't compatible with this version error on your Android device. I hope one of these methods worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our latest tech tutorials. And if you want to support our channel further, consider purchasing something from our YouTube or Amazon affiliate links shown in the video or description. By doing so, you not only help us create more content like this, but also at no additional cost to you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.